In this chapter, the important topics which we study are rectangular path, area of, we will find out the area of rectangular paths, we will find out paths crossing each other, area of parallelogram, area of triangle, circumference of circle, and area of circle. Revise sum of a stick whose length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 3. Here the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. Here, length is what? Length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. What is length? Length is 4 plus breadth 3. That is equal to 2 into 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 to the 14 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter is 14 centimeter. If we want to find out the area of this figure, we can find out easily. We know that the area of rectangle is, now the area of a rectangle. Rectangle is equal to length into breadth. What is length here? Length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 3. 4 3 the 12. Meter, centimeter square. Centimeter square. Or you can say square centimeter. These are the units of the area. This is the area. Area of shaded portion is to find out by us. That, let us take the length of rectangle, outer rectangle, we will say the outer rectangle. Let us take the length of outer rectangle is 20 meter and breadth is 15 meter. And let the width of path is 1 meter. See here, if the width of path here, the width of path here is 1 meter. Width of path is same at all places, 1 meter here and 1 meter here. This red one rectangle as an outer rectangle, and the rectangle in with black lines is known as inner rectangle. Now, here the length LO is the length of outer rectangle is equal to how much it is given? It is 20 meter. And let BO the breadth of outer rectangle. What is the breadth of outer rectangle? 15 meter. Width of path is given 1 meter. Now, let Li be the length of inner rectangle of that is equal to what? Length of inner rectangle is, what is the length of outer rectangle? Minus width of the path. Width of path from both sides. From this side and this side. That is from upper side. This and this side. What is the width of the path? 1 meter from the upper side and 1 meter from lower side. That's 20 minus 2. How much left? 20 minus 2 is equal to 18 meter. Therefore, length of the inner rectangle is 18 meter. Now, Vi, that is equal to breadth of inner rectangle. 15 minus, what is the width of the path? That is 1 meter from both sides. 1 plus 1, दोनों को माइनस कर दो. पाथ दोनों ओर से कट करना है, ठीक है, तभी इतना इतना रह जाएगा ना, यहां से यहां तक रह जाएगी, ठीक है, दोनों ओर से पाथ माइनस कर देना, इधर से भी और इधर से भी, तो विड्थ आ जाएगी. 15 minus 1 plus 1, 2. 15 minus 2 is equal to 13. Now want to find out the area of path. Area of path कैसे निकलेगा? Area of red rectangle minus area of black rectangle. We will get the area of path. Now write down here the area of path. Therefore, area of path, that is area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. What is the area of an outer rectangle? Length LO into VO minus LI into VI. LO means length of outer rectangle. What is the length of outer rectangle? See here. This is the length of outer rectangle, that is 20. And breadth of outer rectangle is 15. Minus length of inner rectangle is, that is what? That is 18. And breadth of inner rectangle is 13. 20, 15 the 15 to the 30, 0 की 0 लगी 300 और 18 13 the 234, 18 30 the 234, माइनस कर दो अब 300 में से 234, 66 square meter is the area of the path. Is the area of the path. Now let us take a question from book. First question: a rectangular garden 30 meter long and 25 meter wide has a path 2.5 meter wide running around inside it. Find the area of the path. A rectangular path 30 meter long. It means the length of the rectangular path is 30 meter. And breadth is 25 meter. And the width of path is what? Width of path is 2.5 meter. पाथ सेम ही रहेगा सारी ओर से, तो यहाँ 2.5 है, तो यहाँ भी 2.5 ही होगी width, तो यहाँ भी 2.5. Width of path is always same on the all sides. Now this one is outer rectangle and this one is inner rectangle. ये कौन सी rectangle है? Inner rectangle, and this is outer rectangle. Now let LO is equal to length of outer rectangle. Is equal to, what is given, the length of the outer rectangle, that is 30 meter, and BO is the breadth, the outer rectangle, that is equal to 25 meter. Here width of path is 2.5 meter. Now we want to find out the length of the inner rectangle. How we can find out the length of inner rectangle? When we subtract this much length. What is this length? This is 2.5 from this side and 2.5 this side. अगर हम दोनों ओर से 2.5 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे 30 में से, तो क्या जाएगी? लेंथ ऑफ द इनर रेक्टेंगल. Write down now. That is length of inner rectangle. Length of inner rectangle is length of outer rectangle minus width of path from both the sides, that is 2.5 plus 2.5. दोनों ओर से width minus कर, that will be 30 minus 2.5. 2.5 कितने हो गए बेटा? 5. That is 30 minus 5. 30 minus 5 is equal to 25 meter. This is length of the inner rectangle. Now want to find out the breadth of the inner rectangle. VI. That is breadth of inner rectangle, that is equal to, what is the length of outer rectangle, breadth of outer rectangle, that is 25 meter, minus what? Minus width of the path from both sides, 2.5 from this side and 2.5 from this side, that is equal to what? 2.5 plus 2.5, that is equal to 25 minus 5. 2.5 plus 2.5 कितना हो गया? 5. That is 25 minus 5, 20 meter. Therefore, area of path is equal to area of outer rectangle. You can write like this: area of rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Inner rectangle. What is the area of outer rectangle here? LO into VO minus LI into VI. What is LO? 30 into 25 minus 25 into 20. Therefore, area of path is equal to 30 into 25 minus 25 into 20. 30 into 25 कितना हो गया बेटा? 750 minus 25 into 20, that is 500. Now subtract them. You will get answer 250 square meter is the area of the path. Let us read out the path 1 meter wide is built inside a square park of side 30 meter. Okay, here it is given that each side of square park is 30 meter. If this is 30 meter, we know that in case of square all the sides are equal. This is again the 30 meter along its sides. Find the area of path, and the width of path is given here 1 meter. Width of path is 1 meter. 1 meter width of path is always equal. 1 meter from here, 1 meter from here, and 1 meter from here. Now calculate the cost of constructing the path at the rate of 70 per square meter. To find out the total cost given each side of the outer 30 meter and width of path is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, each side of inner square, that is equal to what? 30 minus width of path from both the sides, 1 meter plus 1 meter. That is 30 minus 2, that is 28 meter. The width of the inner path. Width of the inner path. Now, want to find out the area of path first of all. After that, we will calculate area of inner square. What is area of outer square? That is equal to what? That is 30 multiplied by 30. And area of inner square is 28 multiplied by 28. 30 into 8, 30 कितना होगा बेटा? 900. 28 into 28 is equal to 784. Now 900 minus 784 कितना आ गया? That is 116 square meter. This is the area of the path. Now cost of constructing 1 square meter path is equal to rupees. Therefore, what is the total area of this path? That is 116 square meter. Therefore, cost of constructing 116 square meter path, that is equal to 116 multiplied by 70. Now multiply 0, 7 6 the 42. 7 1 the 7. 7 plus 4 11. 7 1 the 7 plus 1 8. 8,120 rupees. Cost of constructing 1 square meter path is 116 square meter path is 8,100. Third question. In this question, a table cover of length 5 meter and breadth 3 meters is spread on a meeting table. If 25 centimeter of the table cover is hanging all around the table, find the area of the top of the table. You have to find out the area of the top of the table. Let us first of all, let us suppose this is total area of the table cover, and let us take this is the top of the table. Suppose now we want to find out the area of the top of the table. We want to find out the area of the top of the table. That is this area. This whole area we want to find out. This whole area we want to find out. Here we want to find out the area of the red portion here. For that, what is given? The length of the table cover, that is 5 meters. And the breadth of the table cover, that is 3 meters. Now, if 25 centimeter of the table cover is hanging all around the table, that means this length is 25 centimeter from all the sides. This is again 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter. This is also 25. We want to find out the area of the red portion. That first of all we will write down here given the length of the table cover. Given length of table cover. Length of table cover. That is equal to 5 meters. Convert it into centimeter. Here, how many centimeters are there in 1 meter? 100. Therefore, 5 into 100, 500 centimeters. And the breadth of table cover, that is equal to 3 meters. 3 into 100, 300 centimeters. Now, we want to find out the length of the top of the table. Right. First of all, because 25 centimeters of the table cover is hanging, therefore length of the top of the table, that is equal to what? 500 minus 25 centimeter. We will subtract 25 plus 25. 500 minus 25 plus 25 कितना होगा? 50. Therefore, 500 minus 50 is equal to 450 centimeter. Now the breadth of the top of table. Breadth is 300 centimeter minus 25. Subtract 25 centimeter from both sides. 25 plus 25. That is equal to what? 300 minus 50. That is 250. Now we get the length is 450 centimeter and breadth 250 centimeter. Therefore, area of the top of the table. Therefore, area that is equal to length into breadth. What is length here? Length is 450 and breadth is 250. Multiply them. 450 into 250, that is equal to 1,12,500 centimeters square. Convert into meters now. For converting into meters, we will divide it by how many centimeters are there in 1 meter? 100. The 100 into 100. That is, we will cut down 2 zeros with this. What left? 1125 divided by 100. That is equal to 11.25. So the area of the top of table is 11.25 square meter. Today we have finished the third question and now tomorrow we will solve the fourth question from same exercise. Till thank you and have a nice day.